All right, guys, today we're gonna take my current addiction and send it on a healthier date with some chicken. This one is great for meal prep and super easy to make. Hot Cheetos chicken in 3, 2, 1. Start with 3 servings of Cheetos or healthier alternative. Throw them in a plastic bag and either take some anger out or just roll them up until they're crushed up like this. You could also use the bottom of a glass to crush them up too. Next, take out half a cup of a reduced fat or fat-free ranch dressing and 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Mix those together until smooth. Now for your chicken, you'll need around 1.5 pounds, cut up like this or really however big you want them. Last, take out a baking pan, add on a rack so they don't end up soggy, coat the top with some cooking spray. Dunk each piece into your ranch mix, then into your Cheetos mix, and place it onto your rack. Repeat until you throw them in the oven on 350 for around 30 to 35 minutes.